Jai Bharat, respected Princess Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I Harsh Birgavle from grade 3, along with my friend, going to conduct a virtual assembly on topic Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863 in Calcutta. His family name was Narendra Dutt. He studied in Calcutta where he passed his BA examination. From his childhood, Naren to see God face to face. The Guru thought that God lived in every human being. So by serving mankind, one can serve the God. He believed that eternal truth of one God can avoid among hatred among the people. Now I would like to request my friend Ovi to deliver thought of the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Harsh. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Arise away and stop not until the goal is reached. Now I would like to request my friend Aisha to deliver a speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Ovi. Jai Bharat, everyone. Myself, Aisha Faisal Hafiz. Today I am going to speak about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a Hindu monk. He met his Guru Swami Ramakrishna 1881. He followed his Guru throughout his life and took all his responsibilities after his death. In 1897, he founded Ramakrishna Foundation on the name of his Guru. He had attended the delivered a speech at the Institute of Chicago on 11 September 1893. In 1897, he founded Ramakrishna Mutt on the name of his Guru. He said the branches of Ramakrishna Mission also in other countries. He had shocked the world with his talents and skills. Thank you. Now I would respect my friend Divya to present the poem.
Thank you, आयशा. स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के शब्दों में, जो तुम सोचते हो वो हो जाओगे. यदि तुम खुद को कमजोर सोचते हो तो कमजोर हो जाओगे. अगर तुम खुद को ताकतवर सोचते हो तो ताकतवर हो जाओगे. थैंक यू. I would like to call my friend Park to conduct quiz.
Thank you, Divya. My first question is, the birthday of Swami Vivekananda is celebrated as. Answer is National Youth Day. My second question is, who wrote the book Man the Maker of His Own Destiny? Answer is Swami Vivekananda. My third question is, as wandering monks, Swamiji kept 2 books in their bundle. Which are these 2 books? Answer is Gita and the Imitation of the Christ. My fourth question is, what was the question that Swami Vivekananda asked to Sri Ramakrishna in their first meeting? Answer is, have you seen God? My fifth question is, Margaret Noble, a well disciple of Swamiji, well known as. Answer is Sister Nivedita. Thank you, everyone.
Jai Bharat students, Swami Vivekananda is best known for his speeches. One day, one of his followers asked him, Swamiji, why we all are not equal? God has created everyone equally, then why only few people in this world are successful, are great, and why we all are not? Then Swamiji smiled and said, today I am going to narrate you one story. At the end of the story, you will get answer to your question. Swamiji started. First, there was a discussion among gods to decide where the miraculous secret power, the power by which man can achieve anything in this world, to be kept hidden. One of the gods suggested that it could be kept hidden in the depth of the sea. Another god suggested that it could be buried on the top of high mountains. The third one thought of a cave in the woods as the best place. At last, the most intelligent among them said, "Keep it in the depth of man's mind. He will never suspect that the power is hidden there, because from childhood his mind is prone to be wandering and he will never look within. Only few intelligent among them will look within and use the power and become successful." All got agreed and did the same. So the difference among two people lies in their mind. One knows how to tap the power and the other does not. So the truth expressed here in the story is that in the depth of man's mind lies the miraculous hidden power, using which one can become great and successful. Thank you.